The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County, Mercer County, northern Burlington County, southwestern Somerset County, Monmouth County, southern Middlesex County, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Kingston to Rockledge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Philadelphia, Toms River, Park, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Ewing, Norristown, Willingboro, and Medford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.